We are back again with another homeowner video. Now, some of you who have homes that are maybe a little bit older may find that when you plug something into your outlet, it's loose, it doesn't stay in and it falls out. And the reason that happens is because there are these little metal, I guess, I don't know if I want to call them prongs, or these clips that are supposed to be pressured together, and your plug will fit into it like this, and it kind of grabs it like that. But over time, the constant plugging and unplugging, it weakens the pressure that those things put on your plug, so there's a little gap, so it doesn't really stay in too easily. And I'm going to attempt to open one of these up so I can show you exactly what's happening so you can see it for yourself. All right, so we're going to get one of these into the vise so we can hold it while we cut it open. And I'm going to use this multi-tool with a cutoff blade on here, and we're going to see if this thing is able to get through there. I'm not exactly sure, where the points are in this white piece of plastic here on the front part of the outlet that is holding the black and the white pieces together, but I'm just going to try to cut around and take the top piece off so we can see together. You need to wear these things, guys, so if you're doing anything like this, put the goggles on. And spin it a little bit. Then let's get the top portion out. Let's see if we can move it a little bit. There we go. All right, this is what we wanted. Let's take a look. Goggles off. So here you go. These are the pieces here I was referring to that are supposed to grab onto the plug. See that? We can check it out with this old thing here. So it is actually pretty tight. This one is pretty tight. It'll go in. Like that. Okay, so this one's pretty tight. So these pieces are on this particular outlet are still closed enough where the plug is getting grabbed tightly and it won't fall out. But as these things over time start to separate, look at this. Okay, and the constant in and out will then leave this thing wide open, and the plug will slip out. Both sides will do this. Okay. Now, if this is a cheaper made Leviton outlet, now the heavy duty ones, which I don't have here to open for you, but they're going to grip the plug better than these cheaper outlets that you can buy. So if you're having the issue where it is you've got that loose plug, I would replace the current outlet with a heavy duty one, especially if it's a spot where you're constantly plugging and unplugging things, like around the kitchen counter or even the bathroom, constant plugging and unplugging of, say, hair dryers and different things. Whereas if you have an outlet that is behind your night table in your bedroom, and you just have your things like a lamp always plugged in and you're not constantly plugging and unplugging, you're going to be fine. This is, you would potentially swap it out where it's already loose or where you're constantly plugging and unplugging. So this is what's going on and why your outlet is not grabbing onto the plug and the plugs are falling out. It's because these things are getting spread apart, and the only way really around it is to change it, and once you change it, your problem will go away. Now, there's no other way to open this up. It's because if you could screw this cap off and take it off, then maybe you could pinch it closed with some needle nose pliers, but that's not the case. You have to kind of ruin it to get in here. Okay, so I ruined an outlet just to help you guys out, but like I said, it's cheaper anyway, so I don't care. This is what's happening inside. If you have any questions, again, leave them in the comments. I will respond. I appreciate every one of you. Hit the like button if you thought this was at least interesting, because liking the video helps me out. Thanks very much, everyone, and I'll see you next time.